is make sure you do patch test before you start trying out that new skincare product. If you have ever struggled with dryness of the skin breakouts, dullness of the skin, there is high chance that you have been making at least one out of these 5 skincare mistakes I'm going to be listing on today's video. But not to worry, by the end of today's video, you will know exactly what to do in order to achieve a clear, glowy, radiant skin. So my love, grab your popcorn, stick around with, let's get right into the video. If your skincare routine is not giving you the actual, or it's not giving you the desired results you wish, or the desired results you want, it could be that you are making one out of these 5 mistakes I'm going to be listing on today's video. But don't worry, let's fix it together. Trust me, I have been there trying out different skincare products, trying out every new product that comes out, but then I was still battling, I was still struggling with hyperpigmentation, I was still struggling with acne, I was still struggling with pimples. It can be so frustrating. Before we dive into the video, please hit on the like and the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. So mistake number 1 is over exfoliating your skin. I understand that exfoliation or scrubbing our skin actually make our skin look super soft and smooth. Over exfoliation could be the reason why your skincare product is not working on you. Your skincare, that lotion, that cream, that soap is not working on your skin, because too much of exfoliating your skin is going to, instead of making your skin to be smooth, it will start damaging your skin. It will start making your skin to look so irritating, damage your skin barriers, therefore start leading to skin redness, skin irritation, and skin breakouts. So too much of exfoliating your skin is very, very bad. So now, how do you fix this? For someone that is always over exfoliating his or her skin, how do you fix this mistake? First thing is that it's an exfoliating plan for yourself. You have to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times in a week, max. When I mean max, maximum you can exfoliate your skin in a week should be 3 times and nothing more than that. And then stick to a particular scrub that is suitable for your skin. If you're someone with a sensitive skin, you need to stick to a body scrub that contains sugar. If you're someone with a very tough and hard skin, you need to stick to an exfoliating scrub that contains salt. For someone with a sensitive skin, you can actually go for scrubs that contain AHA, alpha hydroxyl acid, or you can go for scrubs that contain BHA, benzyl benzoic acid, benzyl hydroxyl acid. So any of these scrubs will go well for your skin. Then if you're someone that have a very tough and hard skin, you should go for a salt scrub. We have the Cool Spa body scrub. It is so nice, and it's not something you use all the time. Highest you can use Cool Spa to exfoliate your skin is twice in a week. And another point here is that after exfoliating your skin, make sure you use a moisturizer, and then you apply your SPF, your sunscreen. Yes, so it is very, very essential and mandatory. So if you should use it this way, you're going to start seeing that yes, the body scrub you're using will start working on your skin. You start seeing that smooth, radiant, glowy skin you desire. Make sure you're using a scrub that is suitable for your skin. Everybody does not have the same skin texture, so just know what works for you based on your skin type, and go for the body scrub that is going to be suitable for your skin, and stick to it. Mistake number 2 is skipping your sunscreen. I know a lot of you will be like, I don't go out, I'm always indoor, I work remotely, I'm always inside my room, I work under the AC, so therefore I don't need sunscreen. But let me burst your bubble. Do you know that UV rays can penetrate through your window? UV rays can penetrate through the crowd and then start causing premature aging to your skin, start causing hyperpigmentation, and can even cause skin cancer if care is not taken. So you need to get a sunscreen. Now, how do we fix this? First thing is for you to get a broad spectrum SPF of 30 or something above 30, but let it not be below 30. Just something SPF of 30 or something above 30. Second way you can actually fix this is by reapplying your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours of the day. Thirdly, on how to fix this is by getting a good sunscreen that contain other benefits, that contain benefit like antioxidants, sunscreen that contain anhydrating agents or antioxidant property. Guys, it is very, very essential to get a sunscreen for yourself. If you are investing on your skin, if you are investing on skincare and you don't have a sunscreen, it's just, let's just assume you're pouring water into the basket, like you are just wasting your money and causing more harm to your skin. Mistake number 3 is using a very harsh cleanser, using a very harsh face toner that would irritate your skin and strip your skin of its natural oils. So anytime you make use of a toner or a cleanser and your face is somehow looking so shrink or so hard, it's just a signal that that particular face toner or face cleanser is not compatible with your skin. It is not good for you. A signal that your skin barriers have been compromised. So therefore, you need to withdraw. Now, how do we fix this? First of all, you're going to be optioning for a cleanser or a face toner that is so gentle to your skin, that is so gentle to your face. We're talking about the face. Our face is always so tender, so you're supposed to be using something so gentle on your face. You need to pamper your face like an egg. If your face should get damaged, my dear, I don't know how to explain it, but that is a topic for another day. So you need to get a face toner or a face cleanser that is so gentle on the skin, a face toner that does not contain sulfates, a face toner that has a balanced pH. The second step on how to fix this or on how to avoid this irritation is stop double cleansing your skin. Stop double cleansing your face. You can only double cleanse your face only when you wear makeup, when you're on makeup. Maybe after applying your makeup and you want to clean it out, that is the only time you're going to double clean your face to remove the germs and the bacteria has been accumulated on your face. So that is the only time you're supposed to double cleanse. But aside from that, clean your skin. Use your face toner or your face cleanser just once. So mistake number 4 is layering or using products that are incompatible with your skin. Underline that word, incompatible with your skin. Let me take for example, you have someone with breakout, a lot of breakouts on his or her face, and you're going to see that person still making use of vitamin C serum. What do you expect? It's going to cause more breakouts on your face. It's going to cause more breakout, more irritations to your skin. So always go for products that are compatible to your skin. How do we fix this? After compromising your face, after compromising your skin, that is using incompatible products on your skin. How do we fix this? Only advice on how you can fix this is to learn about ingredients. Learn about skincare ingredients. Know ingredients that are compatible to your skin. Know the actives that are compatible to your skin. Know the ingredient that whenever I use it on my skin, it starts causing irritation, it starts causing breakouts on my skin. So therefore, you need to learn how to do a patch test. Learn how to do a patch test before introducing any new product to your skin. And whenever you want to use an active, what do I mean by the active? A product that's a product that contains active ingredients in it. Always make sure you first of all use a moisturizer or an hydrating product before topping it up with your active. Let's say for example, you want to use a lightening body oil on your skin. You shouldn't go direct. You shouldn't apply it directly on your skin. All you have to do is to apply your moisturizing lotion first. apply your hydrating lotion first, then top it up with your active, with your lightening oil. So you just have to be so intentional whenever it comes to your skin. With that being said, it's going to help to limit skin irritation, skin damage on your skin, and it's also going to help to save you from skin breakout. So mistake number 5 is picking or popping your pimples. In your pimple, I understand that it is so tempting to pick your pimples, most especially picking your pimples with your your 2 hands. Like, it is always so tempting. It can lead to dark spots, it can lead to skin infection, it can lead to inflammation of the skin. It doesn't worth it. It doesn't worth it. If you're someone that that whenever you pick your pimple, it always leave your skin, it always leave dark spots, it always leave scars on you, why then do you still go back to pick your pimple? First solution is that you need to learn how to avoid your hands touching your face. That should be number 1. And then secondly, if you have pimples and you can't endure it, you can actually use a pimple patch. I think it's somehow, I'm going to leave a picture of it somewhere here. So you just have to place it on that particular area where you have the pimple, and then after I think a minute or thereabout, you pull it out, the pimple will open up by itself. Probably another thing you can actually do is to use a chemical exfoliant or a chemical toner that contains benzoic acid, or a chemical exfoliant or a chemical toner that contains salicylic acid. Just use it and clean your face. Before you wake up in the morning, your pimple will be dried up already. Yeah, and you just have to be consistent to your skincare routine. Remember, I say that skincare is a process. It is a process and not something that you apply today and you're going to be expecting to see results tomorrow. So I don't want to use that term that skincare is more like a school. It is not a school, right? So it is a process that requires time. Don't always be in a haste using product and you expect to see the results the next day. It doesn't work like that. Even if you see a product that works that way, disadvantage, the demerit is going to be so harmful on your skin. So, and I know you wouldn't like that, of course. So bonus tip, you need to stay hydrated. You need to drink enough water. Staying hydrated, like for someone with an oily face and oily skin, staying hydrated is going to help to prevent you from producing more oils on your skin. It's going to help to prevent you from having your skin always looking like as if you poured ground oil on your face. So you just need to stay hydrated. Water is life. Water is paramount. Water is essential on your skincare routine. So my loves, that is it for today's video. Are you guilty of any of this mistake I just listed? Let's know on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Of course, like and subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please support this small channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel to join the subscribe community. Not just that, please turn on the post notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to get notified by YouTube. Until then, I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next one. Remain blessed.